Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's quick video, I want to show you how you can change your profile picture on your YouTube channel. If you own a YouTube channel and you want to change your profile picture, this is the correct video for you. So as you can see here, my channel 1 2 Step, I have this profile picture right here, and let's say I don't want this profile picture and I want to change it to a new one. So what you want to do is you have to go to this option with your profile picture on it and click on it. And remember, you have to first log into your YouTube channel in order to change your profile picture. So after you do that, you go to your channel and then move your cursor to the profile picture and you will see the camera logo. You have to click on it and click edit. Then it will show you your current profile picture and it will give you the options to either change it or remove it. For this we'll be changing, so we'll click on change and then we will click select a photo from your computer and choose the profile picture we want it to be. Then we'll open it, and once it's uploaded, you can crop this image. I'll increase the size just like that, and once it's done, you simply have to click set as profile picture, and there you have successfully changed your profile picture of your YouTube channel. That was it for this video. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.